Hey guys, so my name's Autumn. Hi. Okay, so we're doing the 24-hour handcuff.
We're gonna be doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge. So
we're gonna open it. Yeah, so we're gonna start it right now. So that's too tight. So we're gonna be in these things for 24 hours with each other. Ow! Ow! I can't move my wrist. We have a person recording us while we do this, and we're gonna be doing a bunch of things like going places out
and going to the potty.
Yeah.
I look like I'm wearing a blanket. There's hairs everywhere.
Happy fall. So we're gonna go do some things around. It's okay. So we're going to do the litter. See? So we're gonna go in here and get the bag to clean the cat poopy. I got the bag. Now we're gonna go back out. I'm gonna unlock the door.
Litter jam.
You hold the bag though, and I'll scoop the litter. Ew, this is grody.
It smells kind of like cheese pizza.
Ew!
Does it not smell like cheese pizza?
It does smell like cheese pizza. Okay.
Go, Dave.
Do it. Oh! It broke! Ow! It's dripping! How did it undo?
That never happened, guys. It's still 24 hours.
Yeah. What the heck is that? You can't even see it. What? So we're gonna go take a potty. Let's go. Okay. We're gonna. Ow! Oh no!
Are two people able on this ladder? Will it break? No.
Ow! Ow!
Yeah.
Ow! So we're in my attic right now, about to look through old pictures. This is not safe.
Your hair is caught on the thing. Yeah, that's true.
Ow! What was that? What was that? Oh my gosh,
That sounds like the scan at Harris Teeter.
Yes! We're gonna listen to House Party.
Yes!
It's a house party. It's a house party. It's a house party.
Get ready for the bass drum!
Dance all like I'm gonna pull up the bass. It's a house party.
You thinking about?
I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, 'cause no big. I feel like pop. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Just like the fajita. I write what I live. My life in the speaker. I'm nice with the flow. Just like the demeanor. They got the iron while I got the steamer. I bring the fire, but you never seen them. I test all of my dogs just like I'm Peter. Gotta protect them. I made the caller, but just like I'm rapping. I know we left you, now we back together, but I guess that is better now. Later than never, like, what's happening? I'ma need y'all quit asking when. No big. I feel like pop. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in. Black on black on black on black on black on black on black. Another level. I'm rugged.
The ninja. ninja had been, there is darkness.
We're going to Chick-Fil-A, we're going to Starbucks, we're going to Target, we're going to
back
Rapid.
all of these places
yeah.
to be handcuffed together. If anybody notices and is like,
You
what
are
you doing?
creepos?
Are you in jail?
Yeah, so we're gonna go. So yeah, we're gonna go. Ah! So our first location is not
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. And here we go. So embarrassing. Back here, he goes to dance. So it means we know he goes to dance too. So there's 2 people here we know from dance, and
So this is pretty.
and they work here. And they work here. They were working here. So I'm so
So this is like, we got our.
Oh my gosh, I know her too.
Oh my gosh, she goes to the.
Here's literally everyone in here we know, and like we're in handcuffs right now. Like
What? No, looks like not today. Thank you.
sorry.